In this video, I will show you how to fix arrow keys not working in Microsoft Excel. So guys, once you click on this bar, so maybe you will find scroll key is locked in your keyboard. So that's reason arrow keys not work. So to unlock scroll lock in your system, click on Start, then type OSK, then here click on screen keyboard. Now here is the option screen lock. So if it's selected, now click here and find out this scroll lock, this key, and turn off this screen lock. Now guys, you have to find out this button scroll lock. So turn off this scroll lock and you try to move using arrows like this. So this is the basic video to learn how to fix arrow keys not working in Microsoft Excel. Thanks for watching. Comment this method works for you or not.